Alrighty, so other than the lights being pretty dim, she's not running, but the right one has left the chat. So we got a little upgrade for it today, so we'll see how it goes. Videotape a little bit of that. Alright, got my mobile work chair here. So I saw on, I guess it was Puddin'sfabshop, he installed some LED headlights and love tap. And since this one went out, I was like, well, I need to try that. So I ordered some from Amazon. That's not where it went. Sorry for my head. My chair rolls away. I don't want to lose that guy. There we go. So hopefully these are plug and play. Oh, it could work in a better place where if I drop something, I'll find it. Let it ring off. I don't know if this guy's been out here in a very long time. There we go, got it off. A little dirty in there. Need to clean that, but yeah, she's blown. Dirty. So let's see what we got here. Wiring harness. If there's any instructions. Guess that would be a bulb. LED bulb. We'll see how it, hopefully it works great. And these are glass. I did not like those crazy. I just wanted something that looked original. So it's as probably close to that as it can be. A little different, but I like that better than some of them goofball ones with the things in them there. So little tab there to unclip and put your bulb in. As that little cap comes out, and then that goes in. All right, well that's different. I wonder if that's optional. Let me look real quick, because that should plug straight into what I got. Like I said, I don't think there's any directions. Let's have a look and see. Oh, we got a little boot. Cover it all up. We're going to plug and play and see. Alright, let's plug and play and see if she comes on. And we'll kind of go from there. Alright, plugged in. You guys watch that. Tell me if it comes on or blows up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a million times brighter. So there's the new one. There's the old one. I guess those are just extensions for different wiring. Alright. Turn it back off. So with some persuasion, I finally got it on there. It took the screwdriver to get it pushed down on there. Gotta be careful with that. That little clip likes to try to bend on that. I can live with that. Definitely can see at night now. Ouch. So pretty quick and easy. I won't show y'all with that side because you don't want to watch me struggle again. If you're interested, I'll put the link in the ones, or just search your make and model on Amazon and it should give it to you. I'll get a picture or a quick video after I get the other side on with both of them on, and be back shortly. Light up the night now. Try them once it gets dark. Try to see what that brights look like. They're right there. Let me move my portable tool here. It's quite ready to go. Pretty bright. I like them so far. That's the low beam there. Let me go down our dark road. Nice. Yeah, I think that's a big improvement. Hopefully it won't blind anybody, but we'll see.